Experiencing issues activating your ultra-mobile SIM or eSIM. This section provides a quick overview of common problems and their solutions. Activation errors typically prevent your device from connecting to Ultramobile's network. Common causes include network delays during provisioning, shown as activation pending. Another issue is no service SIM not recognized due to incorrect SIM insertion or IMEI locks. Lastly, eSIM not working occurs from download failures due to poor Wi-Fi or software bugs. For physical SIMs, ensure proper insertion. For eSIMs, a stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial during download. Remember to check your device's compatibility with Ultramobile's network bands using their website tool before you start. First, download and open the Ultramobile app, then activate your SIM or eSIM. For eSIM on iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, and select Add Cellular Plan. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, and Download SIM. If you see SIM not working, reset network settings. On iOS, Settings General, Reset network settings. Update carrier settings through the Ultramobile app. For eSIM problems, delete and re-download the eSIM profile. If issues continue, contact Ultramobile support at 1-888-777-446 with your IMEI and error details. Allow up to 24 hours for network-side processing. Avoid unofficial methods, as they can void your warranty. Confirm activation by making a call or checking your data connection. Use the AI troubleshooter in the Ultramobile app to diagnose SIM-eSIM errors.